the Misty City of Mandaramnuwara, Kabaragala waterfall lies at Alamulla area. It's situated behind the hydropower station. We have to hike through a tea estate in order to reach the falls. Mandaramnuwara is in the foothills of Piduruthalagala on Valapane side. It is the town which gets the lowest sunlight. It is stated that once it has been a fort of King Ravana. The Kabaragala Fall is 18 meters tall and it is best viewed during the rainy season. Shrouded in mist, the beautiful cascade of water falling through the sky. This natural beauty should be remained unspoiled for our future.